The Garden of Time, to inspire your summer oasis. Summer gardens are more than just flower beds. They're an extension of your living space, a place to relax, connect with nature, and create lasting memories. Welcome to AI Studio. This journey about the imaginary concept for something in the future, from an artificial intelligence perspective, and how to the AI says. Let's we explore the art of beauty within. This year, ditch the traditional and embrace these 10 imaginative summer garden concepts that will turn your outdoor space into something truly special. The delightful way to enjoy the freshest flavors summer has to offer an edible escape. Imagine planting tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and a variety of herbs in raised beds or containers for effortless maintenance and harvesting. The bounty will be right at your fingertips, ready to transform your meals. And to add a touch of whimsy and beauty, edible flowers like nasturtiums and pansies can be incorporated, making this garden a feast for both the eyes and the taste buds. This description paints a picture of a garden designed to evoke the feeling of a sunny Mediterranean getaway. Terracotta pots overflowing with colorful flowers like geraniums, bougainvillea, and rosemary create a vibrant and cheerful atmosphere. The inclusion of lemon or orange trees in containers adds a touch of both fragrance and a connection to the Mediterranean region, transporting you with sight and smell. Immerse yourself in the enchanting world of a cottage garden. Climbing roses, clematis, and honeysuckle weave their way up trellises and fences, creating a romantic and whimsical atmosphere. Classic favorites like peonies, hollyhocks, and foxgloves bring a touch of nostalgia, reminiscent of a bygone era. Vintage birdhouses and weathered planters add the finishing touches, transforming your space into a charming and inviting retreat. Beat the heat and create a stunning garden even in a dry climate with this desert-inspired design. Low-maintenance succulents like cacti and aloe vera provide year-round beauty without demanding constant watering. Splashes of color are introduced with desert wildflowers and ornamental grasses, adding vibrancy without compromising on water usage. Gravel walkways and rockscapes complete the look, creating a natural and water-wise landscape that thrives in the hot, dry climate.
Under the moonlight,
Maximize space and create a visually stunning display with this concept.
embrace holds us feeling so right. In your eyes I see the stars so bright. This moment with you under the moonlight, on a summer night, everything feels alive.
Utilize vertical gardening techniques like wall planters, hanging baskets, and trellises.
Outside in the gentle breeze, our hearts collide. A summer night's dream. The moonlight.
Grow climbing vegetables like cucumbers, beans, and peas to add a touch of whimsy.
Whispers of laughter blending with the night, waves of emotion under the moon's light. Our shadows merge in the sun's soft moonlight, forever etched this perfect summer night. On a summer,
Combine these with vertically stacked herb gardens and cascading flowers to create a vibrant vertical symphony. This a garden bursting with bohemian flair. Unleash your inner artist by mixing and matching brightly colored pots and incorporating unique furniture finds, both vintage and eclectic. Drum catchers or wind chimes add a touch of whimsy, creating a carefree and inviting atmosphere. Don't be afraid to let your creativity loose by experimenting with unusual plant combinations and unexpected decorative elements. This bohemian haven is all about personal expression and embracing the unconventional. This is a delightful outdoor space designed to spark children's imaginations and keep them actively engaged. Raised garden beds allow little ones to get their hands dirty planting and caring for their own vegetables or flowers, fostering a sense of responsibility and connection to nature. For endless entertainment, a sandbox, a charming playhouse, or a water feature provides a dedicated space for imaginative play and exploration. Whimsical decorations like colorful garden gnomes or animal statues add to the playful atmosphere, making this a truly enchanting haven for children.
Moonlight dancing on the hood of your car. Lost stars guiding us to where we
Embrace the
are.
magic of summer nights with this enchanting concept.
Whispers of the night tell a silent tale. In your eyes I see a love that never fails.
String twinkling fairy lights overhead, creating a canopy of soft illumination.
With you, every shadow turns into light. In the silence between heartbeats we find the deep.
Install comfortable lounge chairs, topped with plush cushions and throws.
Intertwined, lost stars guiding us to where we are. Whispers of the night tell a silent tale.
A strategically placed fire pit becomes the focal point, perfect for roasting marshmallows under a blanket of stars.
Laughter forevermore. Sunlight streams, a gentle breeze. Fragrance fills the air with ease.
This is a garden designed to stimulate all five senses.
A symphony for butterflies. Multi-sensory masterpiece. A garden where the senses feast. Water whispers soft and low. A place where peace.
Imagine inhaling the delightful scent of fragrant roses and lavender as you walk in.
Fairy lights like fireflies, twinkling stars in gentle skies, cozy seats and textures plush, a heaven with a velvet.
A trickling water feature creates a calming sound, while sparkling fairy lights cast a warm and inviting glow.
Where the senses feast, soft and low, a place where peace begins to grow. Close your eyes and breathe it in. The gardens and
Finally,
magic stars.
soft textures complete the experience, inviting you to sink into plush seating with cozy throw pillows for a truly multi-sensory escape.
Senses feast, water whispers.
This offers tips to transform your garden into a perfect spot for summer gatherings. Fairy lights and lanterns create a warm and inviting ambience, ideal for evening entertaining. A dedicated dining area with comfy seating and a large table allows you to host summer barbecues in style. And to top it all off, a fire pit provides the ideal spot for roasting marshmallows and making lasting memories under the stars. Remember, these are just starting points. Let your personality and interests guide you as you design your summer garden concept. With a little creativity and planning, your outdoor space can become a haven for relaxation, entertainment, and connection with nature all summer long. But a concept for something stands as an enduring symbol of a testament to the perpetual curiosity that propels us towards an ever-unfolding future. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video.